Hi guys, welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun. Today I'm going to share with you a classical Chinese food, Wonton soup. In China, especially in North China, every holiday, the family or the member, they gathering together to make dumpling or wonton soup together. So today I'd like to share with you my family how to make wonton soup. Actually, it's easy with this ground pork and this wonton wrapper. So all the ingredients is here. This is shrimp, ground pork, seaweed, 1 egg, cilantro, ginger, water. And this is a scallion, this is a carrot, this is chicken broth, this is the wrapper. So let's get started. First, let's chop this shrimp and marinate with some sausage. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, cooking wine, ½ teaspoon, white pepper. Then we let it sit here. This is pork, this one, and the ginger water, 1 egg, some sesame oil, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, into the mixing bowl. Then mix them together. Salt. So you mix it, it's very sticky. Okay, next let's wrap the wonton. 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of the wrappers. This is the thin wrapper. This is the medium. And these two are both medium. But there is some dry wheat flour in these two, so it's not easy. Let me take this one first. It's very thin, so it may broken if you are not very careful. First, I will show you the way I wrap the wonton, which my family. You can put some water here. Yeah, like this. So if I use this one, it will be better. And for this method, we can put more filling inside. Yeah, like this. And then we put some water here and stick the 2 corners together. Yeah. So I will show you a very quick method to make wonton. You just put it here. Then when you pull out your chopstick, you just like this. So there is one. Your hand, put it here, and then you use chopsticks. You put some filling here, and then you push it, and when you pull out your chopstick, like this, you squeeze. This method is Hong Kong Wonton. In Sichuan province, the wonton soup called chao shou. They wrap the wonton this way. This is a triangle. Yeah. Then put some water here. And this. Yeah. In China, some place the people made it like this. Put the water here at the edge, then stick them. Then put the water here. So next, let's start cooking. Turn on the heat and boil some water. Okay. So this is my chicken broth. I put the chicken broth in this saucepan and together with some water. I will use it to make a soup. Then we prepare to make a soup. Salt, white pepper, half teaspoon black vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon sesame oil. Then we put some scallion, cilantro, seaweed, and some carrot. It's boiled about 3 to 5 minutes. And here our soup is boiled, and I poured hot soup inside the bowl. Then we put the wonton into this bowl. Where is my carrot? The smell is so good. Okay, our wonton soup is done. Wow, it's so delicious. The smell is so good. I'm mouth-watering. Yeah, hope you like it. If you like my video today, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it now. I'd like to see you in my next video. See you next time. Enjoy!